go back to your routine, life will not end. Financially, you will not suffer. Come here, man, let me hear you tell me quarter. Unek ila yang major wa parliament wa kanye buriye kiki na chamo mier ko de cho pe ne ope below ni wen an gere ka wa bera ganga na Nigerian movies aram chamo ko pe ma Pierre dek la boti ka burum tie gena chama ngo en wa yero dan wa bia cha wa te ka tamwe pe ko dak ni o so bua relax ma ka bi wonu taw ni ma ka bi bo ma ka bi ju be ne na li ba chele mi abi we kong dok jo kano ti wak no ti jemi mogo ma wan po neno ma gen kita neno ne generation bedong tika lap ke mier waye generation tika ngo kenen an nyara dong ti mwa piere wa ngwen she's a university graduate so bere ke wadi chor wan jo mutte kuni lo tieno matieno bene binu but ka kita ngeo ke the honorable Buamson every time makarwa de kere office not ya keto chere ne enemy on lega enemy tangen enemy school enemy not muru wa ku Buamson ni komeke just wait and see komeke. But I wish you well. I'm not a cynic, I'm not a pessimist, I just predict the future. Now just 1 second in English. Kirachiel mamare kom Amson Obua tie reliable. Kawa jini chawa mwen, no chawa mwen. Obua beno bere la rema, la dit bishop, kawa jimo ware mo. Ana bere la kwe dilu, ana kwe namba bumwen. Ana kwe patekwa. Angweja ko bene, angweja ko bene pati suwa kita tabo na dikere nyombo, ana mweja wale yarabe. Obua kwe na mabero. A parliamentary football club, Annabelle the chairman, parliamentary football club. Obua obero captain. So one of your MPs are here, Chata Gwe Kilo, wow, what you're aware Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, Mombasa. Walloy trophies, Tiana Boro. And we have done what you want nowhere, Oberga lawyer. Monge oberni pian ana tuko na mabongo yan kia boro obua tuko na mabero kawa tika tuko ki MPs mi Kenya Tanzania kai logo kele moro ki winyo kai logo kele Kiswahili ki winyo so wanu bua wa logo kele blanc awai jal kwe di tiara nyim ka chawe lola tuana jula so no wana rie ba me dano piru ngwen ene tika lokale ba che komo do tingo poiru ba ke manero bua I parliament anero no donyo chalo youth MP Obua, you need to listen to this is not an epitaph ene choy baki choy wiliel padano. This is a prologue. So this story is not done. This is just the first chapter. Obua Amson Okelo pride in northern Uganda. Where I know you are actually happy now. Nangamongeo Nila Tien Maaki Abago. Mau kwani primary high. Mau bere la tien mi angwen, an bere la tien mi angwen, wara nyalo lo tien cho angwen, ya ne nyalo an, ubua bere tien ni an la tien mi angwen. Adep gene ario dong pe a tien prudom. One bishop lo tien mi angwen pole wa deno chan. Mi a tien bonge karama piki wili wa rupa mi no amaditi. Yake karama dong ti karama ke wani obua dong ruba ko menene karama wa bikino de piande do ba karama kala jano ba bin hom jalo me kuni de no ke wele ba ke passport ti jo ke ne le ba le obua ukwaro igangkwan kai gangkwan mo ko wa ti wa nye bere te ira ko na te na ilo ti ono nying skule mo apami primary Adieda Primary, Inomo Primary, Obua Amson, Okobo Primary Schools are there. Kon ma primary beru mo aber, mere penye ni pingo. Until a beginning of twin PKs. This story cannot end like this. This is just the beginning of the end. It cannot be the end of the beginning. One more one primary in the 80s, Karago Bore, no Jimmy Bidwong to 12 Bishop, Kita Jimmy Dwong to Kirin. No Kalampe. Obua Okwane school, Chalmawan Okwane, yeah. Ipi wan no chao pi wan ni Karago Bore, no bene wa choi ngom, Kayama Tika Binu, Mere Lap Nei, we again yam, we la phone go, we had Maximing ngom. Mere Yam. Yam Ruju Chocho, no thing, we get more nothing, 1+1. Inge Lupoye Chalmo Beru, go away, Chano Dore. Go our child Maludo, me what Keregan panning all a pa, it will call a killer petita. Yaka 1+1, Iniquano do a chiel, Chiquana chiel, Chi Ribu Pinareo. That is the circumstance, Maubua Waki. Wakwano in primary schools, Mapiebo, what will be portable. Why do you need? Never win your bed. And Joe Kane, Peo Binyang Tin, Go Binyang in Waka Beach. But Peking and White, you know. Mona Chelmo, Ojoy Book, ni democracy is the final form of government. Ni piti yo mama part. Ni tell willow ni ma part democracy. And yo mukane NTA dictatorship. Tiyo mukane chali China maye berupe nyoy Dubai. Maki chima MP achima. Yo ma Uganda yero. Ene kiluoni democracy. Democracy kichero kibolo kui nadmuno kui maduong in a free and fair election ene waranyim. Kui mukarni awinyo gichen da moko kany ne lwak mi ajuri maromo mi abero Peguye ni la rema Obua Amson Udore Parliament mi apara reo. Mero eno ni democracy. Kodok mi eritim ngo. Tuaro megu kany kui mi abero. Ama chiar ka luak angeo ni aloyo. Adugu ni ke loya ki kui piarewa bichie. Do atim ngo angap e kom yate ni. Kui piarewa bichie kile ni madayana chiel bene tiyo dawe. But meno don't ene democracy. But kelebet ni democracy ni majority you loyo kui. Betere ni minority premier ke win lobby. Might is not right. Kini ka uduong ti do nguru yo tawa mabe. Lo nguru beru duong eno no ti wrong. Ano beru kaya eno no ti right. Eno nguru duong no ti wrong kona nguru duong ni. You can be many and wrong, but you can be single and right. That is the essence of democracy. Obua Amson,